Hello, what up guys? Today in this new working video I will teach you how to make up to 5,000 naira using this website that I'm gonna show you. So first of all, if you do not like our video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's move into our video right now. So first of all, you are about to your Chrome browser, and I have already linked. So I will leave you the link in the comment section so that whenever you go you will click it. So actually, if you are there, you will see how it's gonna pop up. So just click this open now, and when you click it, so let me tell you something. If you have already created your account, so you are just to click the button that is at the left hand side, which is at the top. So I would like to click login. So for you that I'm just showing you, just sign off. I will get a commission and you too will get your own. So if you come to this login, I would like to put my login details. So this is my number. I will do it here. So after you see magic, boom, I make over 37 up to 500. They may need me to build up to 50,000. So absolutely, let's move. So right now you're seeing it just pop up. So yeah, you see my cashback I made over 3,000. So you see I made some referrals. So I'll go do like that. I'll go click login again, cause at that time, so click login and I use login and I will see login. So boom, you see I'm a BangBet now. So for you to get your referral, so come to casino. If you are on casino, just move to pocket money. Boom, you see I have one referral. Before tomorrow I know that I can do it. So absolutely see how it work. So if you kill this withdraw button, you'll see that I have over 1,370. I must repeal it off to 5,000. You will see if you are about to invite friend, so Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, and etc. So click cancel. So how to copy your referral link? So let's see that. If I click invite friend, so let's say on Telegram. So this is my referral link where it will just later copy link. So I've already copied my link. So right now you can get yours. You can get up to 5,000 every day by just referring plan. I have withdrawn my. It is legit. I like it. So go and just try your best and try to get yours. Thanks for watching. Be in our next video. Do whatever you can. Thanks for watching. Bye.